Right, here is a bit of an impromptu video, unplanned, because today, thanks to the generosity of Graham on Facebook, I received through the post these. And another one with some software on, but we'll discuss that some other time. These, what is this? This is what's causing the noises behind me as Facebook goes mad, because people are getting excited. I know, we need to get out more. But, yes, this is actually a 1989 box of 3M 5¼ inch discs. Yay! Double density, DS, double whatever it is, 96 TPI RH, double density, double side, double density, soft sector. There's nothing soft about old floppies. They're always hard. But that's different. Anyway, so these are from 1989, as I probably already said, and we thought we'd open them live on camera. They are still in their original packaging. Let's have a quick read about it first. 3M diskettes with the Mark Q Advantage, whatever that is. Advanced M3 technologies created disc X made with the revolutionary Mark Q media coating and jagged assembly process. These diskettes are tested and certified by 3M to be 100% error-free for optimum reliability. Now, I know that 3M bought out Scotch, and recently somebody had a Scotch tape which is covered 30 years on, still covered by the lifetime warranty, and it was fading, so they got in touch with 3M. 3M actually replaced it, believe it or not. So if there's anything wrong with these, should be able to get 3M replace them. That'll be quite interesting to see. Right, bull. Tested to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure jacket flatness and environmental stability. Ooh. Unique packaging also serves as a storage box, so it does. Contents: 10 discs, labels, storage box labels, right protected tabs, hotline information. I wonder. Lifetime warranty information, proof of purchase. So your proof of purchase is in the box, apparently, which is weird. And there's an address to send it back to if there's any problems. So what we're going to do is open this, and yes, Fluffy. This got delivered to Fluffy's work, and she got in the car with them and gave me the package. And when we got to Tesco's, I undid the package. With passion, of course, Patrick. And, yes. What did I do? Instead of leaving them in the car?
You walked around Tesco's with them.
Yes, I walked around Tesco's, proudly showing them. And then when the till got to the till girl looked at them and I said, don't worry, you haven't sold these for about 25 years of at all. So, yes, he was interested. But there we go. Yes, that's how geeky I am. So, shall we open them with passion? Especially for Patrick. He likes this sort of porn at me. Just, ooh. Let me just peel it back there. Oh. Well, let me do a sniff test first. Yeah, it doesn't smell very old not yet. Let's. Yes. Look at that. Oh, and then I'm just gonna pull this top off there. Oh yeah. Oh, and passionately pull this off. I'm gonna passionately pull it off. Can't get that bit off. Hang on. I'm going to have to use Brutus ignorance as I can't get through that. Go. Gonna have to rip that bit of clothing off. Oh yeah. Now we're inside. How does it smell? Oh, it smells like an old library. Yes, that's definitely 80s smell there. And are you ready? Oh, ooh, oh, not yet, I'm gonna make you wait for it. Yes, there we are. Let's see what we've got. Labels. and stuff. Let's have a quick look at the labels. We get, yep, smells like an old book, right tabs, I believe, and, oh look, labels, and proof of purchase. Weird. I don't know how that works as a proof of purchase. I thought the proof of purchase was a receipt, but there we go. Apparently it's a little sticker. Yeah, how that works I do not know. So let's put it over there and let's have a look at these ladies. Oh. Sniff, Fluffy. You may sniff. Come, Fluffius, Sniffius. Fluffius, Sniffius.
I'm not Floppy.
Okay, you're white queen tonight. What's it smell like?
Smell.
I know it smells. I've already sniff tested it. What do you think it smells like?
Plastic.
Sniff the paper. Oh, heathens. Smells like an old library.
That's old library books.
There we go. See? Now, obviously, we need to test this. So, just play with the camera here. Get the power thing on. Okay, now these discs have been supplied by Graham to do some testing on the IBM Model 60. IBM Personal System 2 Model 60. But we don't know if its drive works yet. So, we are going to test them using the Beeb. I have a 5 1/4 inch drive on the Nimbus, but the working state of that we do not know. We do know that the one on the Beeb works. So, we're going to try using our BB to format this. So if I go there, da, 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 da. Now I believe it is there we go, and it's 0. Seems to be formatting. It's doing something. Disk fault. Hang on, need to check the commands. Okay, I've checked the commands and this should work, hopefully. Let's have a look. It's formatting. It's a good sign. You can hear it running away there. So, I'll let this finish. We'll be back. We'll see if we can save and retrieve some software from it. Be right back. Right, we are back, obviously, and it's successfully formatted, it says. So I've written a small program called Hello World, as usual, and we're going to save it to the drive, hopefully. Bad program, damn it, hang on. Right, I don't know why it was coming up with bad program then, but I've recreated another one, and hopefully it's going to save it. It's saving. Now, if I switch the machine off, so there's no chance of anything in its little brain. Control A break. ADFS. Right, we can now look at the drive, see if there's anything actually on it. Disk 0. Cut. Let's have a look. And it says hello is on it. So, load. Hello. Run. So that confirms that that particular disc is bloody working. So there you go, that's unwrapping a 25-year-old when recorded, well, nearly 25-year-old 5 1/4 inch floppy discs, and they still bloody work. Amazing. So thank you very much, Graham, and I hope you've all enjoyed that bit of geeky loveliness. Thank you all for that.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.